The town of Easton is a college town situated in eastern Massachusetts, 35 miles south of Boston. Easton is rich in history and natural beauty. Architect H. Richardson, who designed Trinity Church in Boston, is responsible for many of the town's distinctive stone buildings, including its library. Home to Stonehill College, as well as the recently renovated and expanded high school and middle school, Easton continues to provide for a superior education for its children for years to come. Tanglewood Estates in North Easton is an ideal neighborhood of 80 single-family homes for growing families looking for a mix of luxury and comfort. All of Tanglewood is surrounded by acres of conservation land and woodlands. This elegant 4,400 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath custom Colonial is located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. This stunning home features an executive office, central air conditioning, and gleaming hardwood floors, California closets, a 3-car garage, and professional landscaping with uplighting. The formal living room is crafted with fine appointments. Gourmet kitchen with a center island, built-in bar service, and granite countertops will meet the needs of even the most finicky chef. The 3-season porch offers easy access to the deck and the enjoyment of the serene acre plus surroundings. Entertaining is easy with a great flow from the kitchen to the inviting step-down family room with a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, cathedral ceilings, and custom cabinetry. This fantastic home features a master bedroom suite with a fireplace and a walk-in closet, a spa-like master bath with a jacuzzi, and a large walk-in shower. The second bedroom has a private bathroom, and the third and fourth bedrooms have a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. The expansive lower level is perfect for a game room, home theater, or kids' play area. For a personal tour of this home, call Rob Goodwin at area code 508-326-3062.